Welcome students. Today we will discuss about editing the passage. In grammar section, this is very important topic to discuss. This will help you to get 4 marks. In this question, you have to find out the mistake, you have to find out the error. When we read the question, the following passage has not been edited because of an error in each line. Now it is necessary for us to detect the error and supply correct answer. In this question you will get 8 lines and one correct answer will help you to half marks. So when we see the first sentence, amongst young peoples, motorcyclists and scooterists are the great cause of danger. They often try to show off by driving at breakneck speed. They risk their own life as well as that of others. Rash driving is one of the greatest causes of road accidents. Bicyclists are also involving in a lot of accidents. While driving along with the road or at the crossroads, they should be so careful. Yes, dear students, when we read the passage in first line, the sentence sounds very awkward. Amongst young peoples, motorcyclists and scooterists are the great cause of danger. This is one of the important way to find out, detect the word that sound very awkward, that is the error. When we see the next picture, here I have arranged in numbers line 1, line 2, line 3, as you can see here, line 4, 5 up to 9. One is for example. For example, if we discuss first one, amongst young peoples, motorcyclist and, yes, I have underlined the error. Amongst young peoples, as this is the word underlined here, peoples, it is peoples. The what is the plural form of people? It is people, not peoples. People in itself a plural word, and then after comma we have motorcyclist. It means the peoples is plural, and the what is the plural of people. So, and scooterists are the great cause of danger. Here, second line, this is the wrong word, that is great. Scooterists are the great cause of danger. So here we have to be very much careful about the use of great in second line. It is wrong, it is mistake, it is error. But here I let it on you to write the correct word, and you have to replace this word of its correct answer. In third one, they often try to show off. Here the sound of off, it's show off, but it should be, okay, I again let it on you to find it yourself. What should be here? With show off by driving at breakneck speed. They risk there, I have underlined there, it means there is something wrong with this word there, on life as well as that of other. Again in the last we have the word other, it is wrong here. What is the correct answer? You have to think upon. Rash driving is one of the greatest cause. Here in this sentence, when we read this, rash driving is one of the six. I am talking about six sentence. Rash driving is one of the greatest cause. One of the greatest cause means here we have one out of many. One out of many. So I have underlined here cause. I have given you hint what should be here. It is the error of plural and singular case. Of road accidents by bicyclists are also involving. Here mistake is with the word involving. So you think about this and write the correct answer. A lot of accidents while driving along with the road. Here in sentence number 8, there is mistake with along with. Along with, along means, here it is along with, this is preposition. Along means you move side by side, that is along. But where you carry something with you, along with you, for example, if I say my father comes back home along with his friend, that is answer. But here that is here while driving along. So here mistake is along with. So it depends on you then how to correct this. 9, road or at the crossroads they should be so careful. Here the mistake is with so. Why? Because so needs further explanation. After careful there should be the expansion of the sentence. If so is correct, but here so is not correct. Here it is full stop after careful. So will be replaced by some other word. That is an exercise for you. You will concentrate on the words that I have underlined. After providing the correct answer in the margin, on the margin, right hand margin, you will make two column, one column for error and second for correction, and then you have to find out the mistake and write the correct answer. You supply your answer, then I check them, and finally after some time I will give you my answer. You will match them. Thank you.